Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I haven't done any videos for a while, and welcome to the new workshop. I'll give you the guided tour. Right, so this is it. This is the new home of Retro Restorations for now. New project there. I'm still getting settled in. I still haven't got my workbenches up here properly. Mess on the floor, down underneath sweeping up. I forgot my sweeping brush, and it's just getting everything in. This is all part of that, which is, well, for one, it's the shiniest chassis you've ever seen in your life. Look at that. That's the front axle casing. This is a brand new chassis for a Series 2A, 1962. This is the latest build project for a very nice gentleman. Yeah, still lots of new parts down there. And yeah, this is it. This is where things are going to be from now on, for the foreseeable. I still have there will be bits and bobs back up my own garage. Still using it for storage. So yeah, look, all these parts I've got to sift through. It's already stripped, completely stripped. There's a lot of work involved there. All this needs sorting out, what's good, what's bad. I've still got to find homes for all my own stuff yet. Like I said, I haven't got my actual workbench down here or anything yet. So let me spin this camera around. Right, so yeah, got a couple of weeks ago, sorry, my mouth's bone dry. I got a phone call off a guy wanting a Series Land Rover restoring. Turns out he's probably the world's biggest Land Rover enthusiast. He's got loads of them. And it also turns out he owns a industrial estate. So yeah, deal was done. And I'm now in a unit restoring his Land Rover. So cheers pal, much appreciated. Yeah, every now and again, every now and again in life, you meet somebody that sort of restores your faith in humanity just that little bit. Where I live, it's not the nicest of places in the world. There are worse places, a lot worse places to live, but then you start to lose faith a bit in people, you know what I mean? And then every now and again you meet somebody and it kind of restores your faith a little bit. So, what goes around comes around eventually. So, yeah. This is it. So this is basically just a quick video just to update on what's whatting. Yeah. So that's going to be that build. I've still got my own projects. Hopefully the T25 is coming down here tomorrow, because that needs the engine pulling out. Then I've got probably my Classic Mini estate and project lock job to do, the 109 Series 2A. Yeah, and that's it. Happy days. Finally, after all this time, I'm in a unit. Would have been nice to get a slightly bigger one, but it is what it is. I'm happy with it. Next year, again, hopefully I'll have some bigger units, something then I'll be able to get even more work done, because I'm never going to, I don't stop. I don't get to a stage and then think, yeah, that's it, I'm happy at that. I get to that stage and then think, I could do better. I want more. I never stop. Yeah, you stop when you're dead. So, yeah. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. There's going to be a lot more to come on the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, notification bell and all that lot. You can follow me on Instagram, CSM Retro Restorations. And I did do a Facebook page, but I don't really do Facebook. Facebook really knocks me off because there's a lot of time wasters, a lot of arseholes, I'll be honest with you. And yeah, kind of, I just find it a bit frustrating. Maybe that's just me, but I'm not much of a social media person anyway, so yeah. Yeah, as always, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.